Hi guys, if your Canon camera suddenly showing you this error 20, the camera is detecting a mechanical problem during the startup or the shutter operation. So in this guide you are going to learn what are the causes of this particular error on your camera, and I'm also going to show you some of the safest troubleshooting steps before considering repair. So on your Canon camera, if you are seeing this type of error, it commonly points to the shutter mechanism failure, mirror mechanism obstruction, or sometimes it is due to internal mechanical startup error. So the camera stops the operation in order to prevent the additional hardware damage. So in order to fix it, what you need to do first is to simply turn off your camera and then simply remove the batteries out of it. You need to also remove the memory cards and the lens. So after doing so, you need to leave the camera without power for at least 5 minutes, and you can take it to max 10 minutes. And this is going to clear the temporary electronic lockups that are affecting the shutter system. Afterwards, simply reinsert only the battery and power the camera on without any lens connected. Now, if after doing this particular ER20 disappears temporarily, it means that the issue may involve with the lens communication or aperture motor resistance or mount connection problems. So sometimes dirty lens contacts can trigger this particular error. So you can just simply try this and it will fix it. Now during the startup, you can also listen carefully. If you are repeatedly hearing a clicking sound, it means that the problem is with the shutter or mirror. If there is a weak movement, it means that the low battery or the jam mechanism. The immediate silence or the error means the sensor and the PCB interruptions. So these symptoms are going to help you narrow down whether the problem is electronic or mechanical. So these are the steps that are going to help you diagnose most of the Canon Error 20 camera issues safely in 2026. So if it helps you, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.